Let's make some picadillo. Add some oil first. I'm using my little aluminum pot and I'm gonna set my heat to a medium low. I don't want it to be like super hot, and my gas stove is like crazy, like insane. I'm using ground turkey. You can use ground beef if you want. And in here, I just have some onion and green bell pepper and garlic cloves that I threw in the food processor. You can just chop up anywhere from half an onion to a whole onion, half a green or red bell pepper, and about 5 to 6 garlic cloves. Pan is hot. You just go ahead and add in your meat. Mine is still a little frozen in the center because I took it out this morning, but that's fine. The heat, it'll defrost in the pot. Once your meat is browned, I'm gonna push it to the side to make some room in the pot. Add in my onion, bell pepper, and garlic mixture. I'm just eyeballing it, but I think I'm just gonna finish adding what's in here and just make fresh sofrito. The reason that I push the meat to the side is because you want to saute your sofrito. You can do this first before adding your meat, but I like to brown my meat first. Once you give your sofrito a minute to get fragrant, you can go ahead and combine it with the meat. It's gonna keep cooking either way in the pot. Go ahead and add in some tomato paste. You can use tomato sauce too. Just remember that if you're using tomato paste, add some water because this is like super concentrated. I'm just gonna add a little bit. And I'm also going to add a little splash of vinegar, just white vinegar, and some water to the paste. And now we season. I'm using Sazon Goya. I'm using the orange packet, just 1 packet. And then I'm also adding Sazon Completa, complete seasoning, just measure with your heart. Do keep in mind though, this has salt, so don't go overboard because this also has salt. Now, the ground cumin and the oregano do not have salt, so again, measure with your heart. I'm gonna taste the sauce and see if I need to adjust the salt. That's perfect. I do add something to my picadillo that I don't know if a lot of people add, but I do. Sugar, just a pinch, maybe 2. I love eating this with some sweet plantains, some maduros, and I don't have any. And it's actually so good on top of rice with some plantains. I might go right now to the store and pick some up. So good, and they just cook in the air fryer. I just buy them frozen. It's a staple when you make picadillo. This is done, it's perfect. So I'm going to turn off the heat. And I'm gonna put my lid on it until we're ready to eat.
Huh? Mommy.
Let's see. Bomb. This is how you do it. Maduro. Come. Ven que esta es tu parte favorita. Ready? So, you get a little bit of picadillo, a little bit of maduro. ¿Cómo está ahí? Hot fire? Bomb.com?